This video tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to create a golden text effect with your smartphone. Alright, so let's go straight to my browser and we use the website Photopea. Okay, so this is Photopea. So you click on photopea.com and it brings you to this interface. Right, so if you have a phone that is 3 gig RAM and above, it should work, but preferably you should have 4 gig and above. 3 gig RAM might stress you, might not work for some text effects. Now this text effect just created on Photoshop, and you can edit it here in Photopea because Photopea is exactly Photoshop. Right, there's no difference between this Photopea and Photoshop. It's just web-based, and it's a website rather. You can't see the app anywhere unless you install it from this website. If you have visited this website for some time, you would see the option to install the app. Okay, so don't go to Play Store, come to your browser here and search for it. So you can either edit their templates like you might have seen before in one of my videos, but if you don't want to do that, you can always open from your computer. So click on open for your computer, and I will send the file that you are to send, the file that you are to edit from your computer or from your phone. I will send it across to our group. If you're a BDA student, I will send it across to the Telegram group. Right, if you are from the Birthday Design Academy, I will send it down there. And if you are watching this video somewhere else, maybe on YouTube or any other place, then you can check the description. If it's YouTube, check the description, you would see it. I will send it to the resources group on Telegram, resources channel on Telegram. So check the description of the video. Okay, so let's go straight. Media picker. So you would be directed to wherever you keep the file. Okay, I think I kept the file in my downloads, so I'm just going to search for it because it's having PSD extension. So here is it. Here, I'll smash on it, and here we are. So even if you have a laptop, you need to learn this because most of the time you might want to do something and you're not in a situation to get across to your laptop. Maybe there is power issues or you are not even at home. You can do this anywhere. All right, so you see, if you are familiar with Photoshop, you should not have any problems here at all. But if you are not familiar, it is very simple editing text effect. All right, so you see this place is your layer panel. You smash on your layer panel. When you click on your layer panel, you see the layers. All right, so I'm just going to zoom this. You will see. So this sign means this is a smart object, meaning that it has things you can edit inside. So you double click on this box, double click on it, just double click on that corner. All right, so let me zoom in again. Then you click on the layer again to make it disappear. You have seen we now have two files here. We have the first one, which is this PSD smart object, and this guy what we want to edit, which is our text. So you can see this side, right? We are on move to now. Move to, you can use it to move this guy around, but I want to, you can see the sign that you can move things around. So you come to this place, which is your text area, type 2. So you click on it, then make sure the text is selected. Okay, you can see we only have one text. Some text effect has some smart objects have multiple text and elements. This is our layer, so we have only one here. You just tap on one of this area here. You can see since we don't have the font that was used originally for this text effect, you don't have the font on your phone or your laptop, whatever, it will disappear and you will get a default font. Okay, so I want to change the font right now, so I'm just going to teach you how to either get font here or you import font from your media. Okay, so I'm gonna use a font I love to use. We will call it, is it Bebas? Okay, Bebas. All right, the font is Bebas. I'm just gonna search for it here. Right, you can see I'm gonna use Bebas Nui, right? And I'll just write what I want to write. I want to write, okay, Design Academy. Design. No, sorry. Before I do this, let me check this place. Regular preview bold. Let me choose bold. I love the bold form of this font. So just Design Academy. All right, so this is too big. Then you come back to this, move to this place. When you click on it, so you can use it to transform. You can use it to increase the size, decrease the size, and change the position. Okay, so you can see that. All right. Okay, so you bring it here. And let me give you an advice. This is just for the sake of video. If you are trying to get any text, the text is longer than 5-lettered words, please don't write double text. Write it one after the other, like this Design Academy. Write only design first, save it, then do academy, then save it. So we can see this guy is not straight. I can try to bend it. Just tap on anywhere around the left corner or right corner and rotate a bit. You can see that. Okay, so you can rotate, and it's not really necessary for you to rotate. If you're having problems doing that, you can leave it the way it is and rotate it later on in your projects, maybe on Pixel Lab or whatever app you use or software. So you can always do that, but I'm just showing you the features that you might want to need. Maybe you might need later, or you might want to do something about. Okay, so let me try. If I could get what I need. All right, perfect. So next you click on file. You can see file on the top left corner. Click on file. So you click on save smart object. You can see save and smart object in bracket, in parentheses. Just click on it, save smart object. So when you save the smart object, you are going to see a pop-up, or if you did not see a pop-up, you would see, if you do not see a pop-up, you will see something. This thing will disappear. These are our options will disappear, but we can see smart object updated. Okay, so it means you can go back to the other folder here, the other document here rather. Click on this, it will have been updated, because that was the smart object we wanted to edit earlier. We actually edited. Okay, so you click on it. I hope it's clicked. Okay, so that's exactly what you want to do. So you can see this thing is a little bit slow because this is a 4 gig RAM device. So on the other device, which is 16 gig RAM, is very, very fast. In fact, I normally enjoy it, but with this you can still achieve whatever you want. All right, then click on the layers again. Just hide your background. Every designer knows this. Just take off the eyes, blind the eyes for you to get what you need. All right, so after you have done that, you will just export. Okay, now don't be confused. Sometimes you click on something and it seems nothing is happening. Just be patient. Okay, if you are not patient, you can't do anything meaningful on this app. That's just what I on this website. All right, so we are good to go. The background has been removed. Some text effects would have shadows that you don't like. You might also want to remove them. Okay, you can still edit it further by clicking on this drop down. You can see a lot. You can hide a lot of stuff. You can see how the text effects was achieved. In case you want to create your own from scratch, you will see the gradient color used. You can see the texture that was used. You can see the light and all of that. So if you have the time, you can do that. So come back to your file, click on file, click on export as. Export as. All right, I think that's been clicked already. Patience is what we need. Okay, so just wait. Meanwhile, if you have a 4 gig RAM device, it will still be faster than this. This one is choked already. It's not free. I don't have enough empty space here, so that's why. But I need to use this device just to prove to you guys that you can achieve this with your 4 gig RAM. Okay, so in our subsequent videos about this, I might not use this device again, but at least this one will introduce you to the fact that you can still achieve whatever you want. In fact, I have used a 3 gig RAM phone to do a lot of stuff here before, but it can't work with some kind of PSD text effect. But if you have a lower phone, my advice for you is not to import any text effect. Do not import any text effect, especially if it is too big. Use the templates they have here. All right, they have their template here. So all right, so click on save. You can see that that's been saved. You will see an option now. It will pop up just in a few seconds. All right, download. Now let me quickly teach you how to import your own font. How to import your own font from there. Sorry, I'm trying to look at something. Let me off this light. I want to check something, please. Just for a few seconds. Okay. Seems okay. You can see the effect. I switch off the light. You can see the effect is giving us something else, which is also good. All right, it's also very good. I've seen people use it. I've used it myself. This kind of, so you can play with it, tweak. All right, if this is the only text effect you can be able to edit, so it won't be like you are repeating too much. You can always tweak it down there. All right, so let's go back to our text that we're editing. That's the second document. I want to import another font. Come to text area first, and come to font. You can see Biba's name. Click the drop down, and you see this guy, load font. When you click on load font, it takes you to your phone. And the sweet part of it is that you don't need to extract any font. The zip file of your font can be imported. Okay, so let me search for a. Okay, I'll search for TTF. You can see. So let me search for zip. Okay. Let's doing this one. Come back here. Come to downloads. So zip. I think most of your fonts are zipped, and okay. San Francisco. Open Sans. Again, so you can just use anyone. You can use Helvetica. Okay. Shinko. Candy. Let's use Rogueboard. So I smash on it. It's loading. Rogueboard loaded. So it means I can search for Rogueboard here and see it. You can search for the Rogueboard now. Let me delete these guys. Okay, so I want to make you understand that the rogue board is actually there and functional. So rogue board, you can see it's down here. So if I write anything now, it will be rogue board. You can see. You can see that. So we can now let's write something. Let's write something. Okay. Okay, sorry. So let's make money. I'm actually gonna make money. I think I'm gonna need this. Make money. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe if you are watching this from YouTube. Alright, if you are watching this from Birthday Design Academy, because this video is created for you in Birthday Design Academy. If you are watching this, make sure you practice. Make sure you create some birthday designs. Use this text effect with various fonts that you think it's works best for you, then send it across to our WhatsApp group so you can show it to others and let me see it. Let me see how it works. Okay, let me know if it works for you. So let's come back to let me see if it has. Okay, it doesn't have different kinds. So let's just come back here, come to file, save smart object, and wait for a few seconds. And mind you, it's not every time that when you click on this save smart object that you will see a sign of being clicked. If you have clicked on it and you are sure your phone doesn't have any problem, then just wait. So you can move this guy to the center. If you're alright, so sorry, it doesn't really matter. Moving it doesn't matter again because I've saved it. Okay, so I just have to come to Shining, this second document, and see the changes or the effect of what I did just now. Okay, all right, you can see that. So you can move it from here, and finally let me save. So come to file, you click on your file, you click on export as PNG, right? So make sure you practice, make sure you learn, make sure you ask your questions, whether you're from YouTube or from BDA. Ask your questions, okay, and practice. If you have not joined our Telegram channel where you get all the resources you need, join right now and get everything you need. So it has been saved to my gallery. Thanks for watching.